Still paying for Microsoft Office every month? What if you didn't have to? Microsoft Office costs a fortune, and most people only need the basics. Meet OnlyOffice, a completely free, powerful alternative to Microsoft Office. Edit documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDFs all in one platform. It's 100% compatible with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Collaborate in real time, edit offline, and even use AI-powered writing tools. No subscription needed. Let's dive in and see how this works.
This is Parvez Durrani, and you are watching Guru Tech Solutions.
To access the official website of OnlyOffice, click the link provided in the video description, which will take you directly to the official site. OnlyOffice is a powerful alternative to Microsoft Office. It is AI-powered, helping you streamline and expedite your workflow like never before. OnlyOffice is a complete suite that allows you to edit Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, and even PDF files, all in one place. It also enables seamless collaboration with your colleagues, and with its built-in AI assistant and smart agent, you can generate documents, spreadsheets, slides, and PDF forms in seconds. You can create text, insert images, and even write code, all effortlessly. OnlyOffice is available for both PC and mobile devices. So, let's get started by downloading OnlyOffice for your system. Click the Download button, then navigate to Desktop and Mobile Apps. You'll be presented with download options for Windows, Mac, Linux, and more. It's also available for mobile devices. I'll go ahead and select the Windows version. Once downloaded and installed, here is the clean and user-friendly interface of OnlyOffice. It allows you to work with your documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files completely free. This is truly an all-in-one tool that can replace Microsoft Office. Just below the main interface, you'll find a variety of ready-to-use templates for documents, spreadsheets, presentations, and PDF files. These templates are designed for various purposes and can significantly speed up your workflow. Let's start by opening a Word file. I have a document here titled AI's Impact on Newborn Children. As you can see, this is a standard Word file. You can do everything here that you'd normally do in Microsoft Word. For example, I can select any text and access a range of formatting options under the Home tab, including changing the font type, such as Times New Roman or any other font, adjusting the font size, making text bold or italic, highlighting text, and undoing actions with a single click. Under the Insert tab, you'll find options to insert page breaks, tables, blank pages, images from your file or a URL, charts, comments, hyperlinks, and much more. Under the Draw tab, you have various drawing tools at your disposal. Under References, you can add a table of contents, footnotes, links, and more. The Collaboration tab allows you to add comments, track changes, and collaborate with your colleagues in real time. You can also add a digital signature to your Word documents. Under the Plugins tab, you can extend OnlyOffice's functionality by adding various plugins. Most importantly, OnlyOffice has a dedicated AI feature that lets you integrate powerful AI tools such as DeepSeek, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and many more. Using these, you can chat with your documents, summarize content, translate text, and even generate images directly within your Word file. PowerPoint presentation. Now let's open a PowerPoint presentation. Here, you can see all the familiar options available in OnlyOffice, and the best part is, while similar tools are paid, OnlyOffice is completely free. You can make all kinds of modifications to your presentation. Under the Home tab, you can change font size and type, insert tables, use drawing tools, add transitions and animations, and even protect your presentation with a password. This gives you full control to customize and enhance your existing PowerPoint presentations. PDF files. When it comes to PDFs, OnlyOffice stands out because unlike Microsoft Office, it actually allows you to edit your PDF files directly. Let me open a PDF file. This one is an essay on AI's impact on newborn children. I can select text and access editing options right away. Under the Home tab,
I can click Edit PDF and get access to options like changing font size, font type, making text bold, and much more. So with OnlyOffice, editing your existing PDF files is simple and straightforward. And once again, the AI feature allows you to interact with your PDF content intelligently, making it even more powerful. OnlyOffice also fully supports Excel spreadsheets. Here, I have an Excel file open, and as you can see, I can perform a wide range of operations.
I can insert charts and graphs, apply various formulas to automate and speed up my work, collaborate with colleagues in real time, and protect my Excel files with a password. And of course, the AI feature allows you to interact with your spreadsheet data intelligently as well. So in this way, you can use OnlyOffice for all your productivity needs. Word documents, PowerPoint presentations, Excel spreadsheets, and PDF files, all completely free. You no longer need to worry about paid tools like Microsoft Office. OnlyOffice is a powerful, free, and feature-rich alternative that does it all. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. The download link is provided in the video description. See you in the next video.